Hey, Ant, how much does it cost to start my non-CDL trucking business? You're going to want to stay to the end for this one. And if you don't got the money to start your trucking company, it's all good. Stay until the end. I got you. All I ask for is one thing. Just repost and put your people on. If you have bad credit, DM me the word credit. If you want to start your trucking company, comment the word how. If you need funding to start your business, DM me the word funding, but you got to have good credit. So if you don't have good credit, DM me the word credit. Now let's get to it. All right, so rental route. Let's start with that first. So when it comes to rentals, obviously you pay more, but you don't have to deal with the maintenance. Do I recommend renting long term? Hell no. That's going to be for another video. But renting, to me, is good until you get your truck. Now, the rental route, when I first started out, was more so like 4 to 6K. Usually all your documents is around 500 to 1,000. Your rental might be a $500 to $1,000 down payment unless they request a security deposit. And then the insurance down payment can be anywhere from $1,500 all the way to $4,000. If you have a bad driving record, it could be up to 5, 6K. And yes, there are ways around it. But me, I just do everything righteously. So I ain't trying to look for the loopholes. But yes, there are loopholes around getting cheaper insurance. But yes, rental and insurance is your biggest expense. To be safe, I would say anywhere from around 7 to 10K. Because you want to have a couple thousand put to the side for yourself. That way you get caught up on a bill, you got some money, you need to eat, you got some money. You always got to have money to the side. Now, when it comes to learning the rental game, that's going to take a couple hours to give you. But I do have a 3-hour video on my YouTube channel, Box Truck and How to Start Your Non-CDL Trucking Company. And I actually talk about the rental game in there. And then I also got a separate video talking about strictly rental game. And then if you want to skip all that, I also got an ebook too. The one thing I will say, just make sure that you negotiate your rental rate low. Yes, I just said you can negotiate that rate. If they say, oh, well, $600 a week, could you bring that down to $400? You know, I'm looking to grow with you. You said 30 cents a mile. Can we bring that closer to 10 cents? How do you expect me to profit and build with y'all? You want to talk like that. You want to make sure you're coming correct. And yes, you can negotiate the rate. The reason why people are getting milked for rentals and paying thousands of dollars each week, 3, 4, 5, not making no money, is because they don't listen. They don't do research. They hear one negotiation, they make one phone call, and they think that they're stuck to it. You might have to call 10, 20 different rental companies, 10, 20 different enterprises, riders. It might take a few rounds of negotiation on the phone. You can get cheap rental rates, and this is coming from someone that showed proof of me starting in a rental and actually going over the road. Most of these people that sell the rental game and all never even actually been in a rental. They literally just pull up to people's parking lots and take videos in front of them. It's crazy, right? I started in a rental, so you might want to take my advice. Now, if you don't got the money to start your non-CDL trucking company and you want to take that rental route, I can get you funded. You have to have good credit. And if you don't have good credit, like I said, DM me the word credit. If you have 700 plus, no derogatory marks, 100% payment history, 7 plus revolving accounts, under 2 hard inquiries, more than 3 years on the age history minimum. If you don't have that, DM me the word credit. We'll build your report up. We'll get you in position to get funded. Now, yes, you will have to pay the banks back. You're leveraging OPM. OPM is other people's money. When we're starting from the bottom, we leverage OPM to get into position. When I didn't have nothing, starting in Philly, had to drop out of school, I'm going through hell, going through all kinds of things. I don't got mom and dad to help me. I don't got nobody to help me. I had to figure it out myself, working different jobs, 725, trying to get raised. You mean, what I do? I leveraged OPM. I built my credit. I leveraged OPM to start my business. Now, again, when it comes to the rental route, remember what I said. I recommend the rental route starting out. But no, I don't think long-term you should keep renting. It's a lot of BS that can happen. Like, for example, have you ever broke down in the middle of nowhere and that rental company ain't nowhere to be found? Yes, I have, and I've been stuck for weeks, but they don't tell you that. And if you don't handle yourself a certain way, sometimes they won't even refund you. You got to really know how to operate in this trucking business, because if you don't know what you're doing and you just hop out there, you don't got a mentor, that's when you lose thousands of dollars. And now you're like them people that be in my comment section that thought they knew it all. But like I said, 7 to 10K is what it costs to start your trucking company if you take the rental route. Now, if you want to get a mentor, you got to pay the mentor's price. I do recommend you get a mentor. Because a mentor is going to save you all that time, all that stress, and you can get right into it and start profiting. That's what it's about. Versus you going through all these trials and tribulations for 6 to 12 months. You look back, you done lost out on $90,000. You're $30,000 in debt because you just wanted to freestyle and think that you knew it all. So yes, I do recommend you get a mentor. Yes, I have mentorship. I'm not here to sell you on my mentorship. If you want to tap in, book a call, hit the link in my bio, or go to boxtruckant.com. Hit one-on-one call, book anytime you see available, and we're going to lock in that day. Even if the time you want isn't available, I'll still text you and we'll lock in. So just pick whatever time you see and let's get to it. Now, when it comes to finding a mentor, book a call with someone first, get a feel for them, make sure you see proof, and that's really it. Just make sure you do your research before locking in with someone. If you lock in with me, you're going to be good. We do it all. We also sell the trucks too. We get you everything you need. From $0, you have no money, we help you build a credit. We help you get funding. You ready to buy a truck now with that funding? I get you the truck. I am the direct connect. I am the direct source. There's no one above me. I'm the direct connect. I get you the truck. And I don't got to pay 10 people at the dealership and overcharge you and this and that. It's me and you. Then I teach you how to make the money. I skipped the me teaching you how to start your business because it's really not that hard. I got free videos all on my YouTube channel. And unfortunately, that's what most people's $20,000, $30,000 mentorship sells you, is just starting your business, the basics. That's all on my YouTube channel. Go watch that video, Box Truck and how to start your non-CDL truck company. Now, if I only had 7 to 10K, would I go start my rental company knowing what I know now? Now, do I recommend you get over the road with 7 to 10K? No, I don't. I think you should get you a mentor. I do. Get a little bit more funding, save up a little bit more money, and get you a mentor. I didn't just hit the road with that. I got a 15K loan. And also, I got multiple lines of credit as well. So yes, when I started with nothing in my pocket, but I leveraged OPM to get the money in my pocket, if that makes sense. Moral of the story, no, I wouldn't just jump out there with 7 to 10K and take the rental route. No, I wouldn't. Could you? Yes. Will you figure it out eventually? Yes, you will. It might take 6 to 12 months. Might take 2 years. Some people never figure it out. It really just depends on you. But would I recommend it? No, I don't. Not without having that person by your side to teach you. Because it's a lot you're going to go through. In the end, is it worth it? Damn right it's worth it. Financial freedom, having your own business, all the different avenues and income you can make from trucking outside of just having your one truck. There's a lot of different businesses that you could start in trucking alone. All right, y'all, I'm done ranting off. I told you how much it costs when taking a rental route, and then I also put some extra game in there. Next, I'll drop a video on owning, and then I'll drop a video on finance, and then the video that I do last, like this is going to get dropped first, but there's going to be 2 videos above this one, and the one that's all the way at the top, that's the route that I recommend. I ain't going to tell you, but I don't recommend the rent. Like I said, renting is good to start, but if you have other options, we're going to take the better options. You get what I'm saying? I started in a rental. Renting changed my life. So, of course, I'm always going to recommend it. But if you have better options, I'm going to take the better option. The less stress. The one where you have more say. Where you actually feel like a boss. Let's get to it, y'all. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share. A bunch of people on it. Helps the algorithm. It does all that. Yeah, let's get to it. God bless you all. And I appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, too. I appreciate all the support. All right? Just want you to know that. I really appreciate all the support. Y'all keep me going. Every like, every comment, just want y'all to know. Y'all keep me going with the content because I really don't need to be on social media doing this. Just took like a 2-month break. I really don't be wanting to be on social media for real. When it comes to the social media stuff, what literally keeps me going is seeing all the lives I'm changing, seeing all the likes and the comments, and I know people need me out there, so I'm going to just keep giving y'all the game. So, I appreciate you all, and God bless you all.